have a myth that some people have more potential than you, some people have less potential. This is a myth. Every person in the world has got the same potential. Like I do cycling regularly. So from here to Gurai beach is 18 kilometer from my house. So I go and I come back. So 36 kilometer मैं जाके आता हूँ. Right? From my house to Gurai beach. I go, I touch it, I come back. Sometimes I'm there. So 36 kilometer, 40 kilometer I can ride, 50 kilometers I can ride comfortably without halting. So this potential is what I have. One of my friend, he travels 100 kilometers without gap.
Oh.
So
Really?
he goes from here to the Taj Hotel, which is 45 kilometer.
Yeah.
And he comes back again 45 kilometer without a single halt. आराम से जाता है आता है. In fact, the Gujarat Open was there, 350 kilometer he rode. So his potential is also there. My potential is 50 kilometer. His potential is 100 kilometer. Your potential is maybe 10 kilometer as of now. So we all have the potential. Now the question is whether you're using it or not. I'm using only till 50 kilometers. He's using for 100 kilometers averagely. You're not using it.
Yes.
But now suppose you start using it from tomorrow. Can you reach after a couple of months 50 kilometers?
Yeah.
Can you reach after a couple of years 100 kilometers?
Yeah.
So potential है ना आपके पास.
I'm not using that.
You're not using it. Right? So we all have the same potential. It depends whether you're using it or not using it. And whatever you're not using, you are losing it. I'll give you an example. आपका right hand है, उसको 1 month use मत करो, ऐसे ही रखो. तो it will be dystrophy. यानी कि blood supply will be slow. The veins will become stuck up, clogged. Flow of blood will not be there. And your hand will not move. After a month जब move करोगे तो move नहीं होगा. Same happens if you have a bike, you don't use it for a month. वो फिर start करने के लिए किसी को बुलाना पड़ता है. So same happens if you are not using your potential, you are losing your potential. So the universe का second rule है use करो या lose करो. So whatever potential we have got, you have to use it. Otherwise, it is getting depleted day by day. So this is the second law of universe: use it or lose it. So laws of universe